you're doing now. We say a very big thanks to you. Also, we have in our midst our sister associations. We have representative from BC. We have representative from Manitoba. We have representative from Saskatchewan. We have representative from North. Okay, so Yoruba Association all over North America. We have the president representing them in our midst tonight. Just to see how we do it. Hey, Joe, Emma disappointing me. Tori mo ti leri. Mo sọ fún ọ pé kò sí ẹgbẹ́ Yorùbá ọ̀hún ní gbogbo North America tó beat YFC. Mo ti lérí pé ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ní Calgary ó tayọ láàrin gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ní North America. Ṣé rọ́ ni mo pa ni? Ẹ ṣe jà nígbà ààrẹ mi gan ọ̀dáhùn. Mo ti sọ fún ilé ẹ̀kan o, ọ̀rọ̀ tá láboyún bá sọ, ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn ló sọ o. Bí n bá ṣe ń wí, ẹ máa gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. We have our able president. We've had several presidents for the past 20 years, and currently, our president, she happens to be the first woman president for Yoruba Foundation here in Calgary, and she has done a great job. Of course, you can see what is happening here tonight. So please, join me in welcoming to the podium, Madam President. Thank you. Thank you.
YFC.
Please put your hands together for Dr. Mrs. Yewande Aturamu. Ẹ jẹ́ máa pàtẹ́wọ́ yẹn títí wọ́n fi débi ni o. Ẹ dákun o. Let's go there. Oh yeah. Mrs. Adeola. Mo fẹ́ yìn láwo ni. Ṣé àwọn pé lẹ́ẹ̀kan mo bẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn pé ẹ bá ń pàtẹ́wọ́ títí táàrí ó fi gorí òkè ní ìní o. Kọ̀sẹ̀ ń tọ́gbọ́ sí lẹ́nu ẹ̀yin nìkan ni. Fún díẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀yin lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀kọ́ jẹun bí lálẹ́ yìí. Màá sì bá ààrẹ sọ́nà ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀kọ́ jẹun. Ẹ ṣé.
Kẹ́ tó sọ̀rọ̀ ààrẹ, ọmọ wọn nílùú Ìjẹ̀bú. Ìjẹ̀bú ọmọ alárẹ̀ ọmọ àfìdípọ̀ tẹ̀mọ́lẹ̀ ọmọ èrè nìwà wọ́n ní bó bá wù Ìjẹ̀bú àwọn ẹni ẹ̀ ní wíníwíní bó bá wù Ìjẹ̀bú àwọn ẹni ẹ̀ ní wíníwíní
ẹ ṣeun
bó bá wà wù Ìjẹ̀bú ẹni ẹ̀ tó kù sọdún alẹ́ Agẹmọ wọ́n ní òyìnbó wọ́n ní Ìjẹ̀bú ti náwó dọ́là kó òyìnbó tó kówó dé wọ́n ṣe ní kékeré Ìjẹ̀bú owó àgbà Ìjẹ̀bú owó kẹlẹ̀bẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú owó ìtọ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú owó obìnrin Ìjẹ̀bú owó kékeré Ìjẹ̀bú owó àgbà Ìjẹ̀bú obìnrin Ìjẹ̀bú owó ọkùnrin Ìjẹ̀bú owó àwọn ni máa bá Ìjẹ̀bú relé ọmọ alárẹ̀ o máa bá Ìjẹ̀bú relé ọmọ ẹlẹ́rìí fò máa bá Ìjẹ̀bú relé ọmọ alárẹ̀ o.
Bàjẹ́ burele, ọmọ alárẹ̀ o, má bàjẹ́ burele.
kí Mr. Aturamu tó sọ pé ìwọ ó káre wọ́n ní aya wọn nílùú Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ẹ̀rù ọwọ́ mọ òbòkun rẹ́mi Ìjẹ̀ṣà mọ òbòkun rẹ́mi o Ìjẹ̀ṣà òṣèré o òye Ìjẹ̀ṣà òṣèré mo nílẹ̀ òbí o ẹ̀rù ọwọ́ mọ òbòkun rẹ́mi o ẹ̀rù ọwọ́ mọ òbòkun rẹ́mi Ìjẹ̀ṣà mọ òbòkun rẹ́mi o Ìjẹ̀ṣà òṣèré o òye Ìjẹ̀ṣà òṣèré mo nílẹ̀ òbí ẹ̀rù ọwọ́ mọ òbòkun rẹ́mi o.
Ẹ ṣeun. Ẹ máa rí sọ ní gbogbo ìgbà. Good evening everyone. Ẹ kálẹ́ gbogbo ilé. A kú ọdún. Ọdọọdún la ó máa ríra wa wò bí ìran. A ò ní dín. A máa pọ̀ sí ni. It is the president's speech, and I've written it in the brochure. So I don't have to read it. You can read it there. However, I have things to say. I don't always use a written speech. I speak just from my mind. I want to thank all my executives. You may not know what effort we put in for tonight to come to pass. We've started the preparation since January, and every Friday we devote 2 good hours to deliberate on how the gala will be. Can you please help me appreciate my executives? Whatever we've done, whatever we have achieved, it is not me, it is us. And I say that because even the 6 months we've been planning, preparing for tonight, the last 1 week has been extraordinary. And you ask me why. Brahma, can you please show the clip so that people will know why I am saying thank you to these my executive members? Can you show the clip to all the house to see why the last 1 week has been so good? I don't want to use the word terrific, but so good.
Gbogbo yín la kí aláìtẹ́nìkan sí nílùú Calgary láláìtẹ́nìkan sí. Gbogbo yín ló máa kéré ọjà wálé dandan àmì àṣẹ. Mú kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tó ń bẹ ní ìlú Calgary. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí dáríjì mi nítorí àyè má lè wá sí ìlú Calgary ní on the 8th of June 2024. Ara ló le o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ foríjì mi. Èmi náà ti múra pé mo ń bọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run jẹ̀dá lọ. Ẹ dáríjì mi, ẹ má bínú. Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tó ń bẹ lókè òkun, gbogbo yín la kí aláìtẹ́nìkan sí nílùú Calgary láláìtẹ́nìkan sí. Gbogbo yín ló máa kéré ọjà wálé dandan àmì àṣẹ. Mo fi fọ́nrán yìí, mo fi ń bẹ gbogbo èèyàn ọmọ Yorùbá tó wà nílùú Calgary kí ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, ẹ̀yin màmá mi, ẹ̀yin ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jù mí lọ àtàwọn tí mo tó àtàwọn tí mo tú jù lọ, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú. Ara ń fẹ́ sí mi ni ẹ ṣé, àdúró tẹ̀yin náà. Yorùbá Foundation nílùú Calgary kò ní bàjẹ́ láéláé, ẹ ṣé.
Okay, that is the musician that we have booked for tonight. I processed 10 years visa for this musician last year. So he has 10 years visa And he knows about this event since last year. February, we bought his ticket. We've been communicating till last weekend. And on Tuesday morning, I called him just to remind him that you are flying tomorrow night. Then I heard the way he was speaking. I'm like, what is going on? And he said he was in the hospital. What happened? He said he has appendicitis. And the doctor said that if he takes medication and travel like that, there's tendency that the appendicitis may burst inside the flight. And they have to conduct the surgery on Tuesday night. And you can know what that means. I was running temperature, I was stooling, I don't know what to do. Then something came to me. When I was doing my PhD program, I studied organizational leadership. And one of the things they told us that how you know a leader is that when there's problem, suddenly, how to provide solution, then they will know that you're a good leader. And that I remember that. And I did what I know to do. I started calling some of our key elders in the community. Of course, I recorded a voice message between us, and I sent to them. And they were all jumped to action. What are we going to do? I called emergency meeting with the ESCO. We don't meet on Tuesday, we meet on Fridays. What are we going to do? Their members and our guests, you can imagine what that means to us. But you know what? I called Feromi Gold in Nigeria. She's my daughter. She sings very well. I wish she had visa. She could have flown in to Canada that night. But she didn't have. She said, Mom, don't worry. I'll go to the studio and I will record good music for you. And tonight, you're going to be enjoying Feromi Gold. I went back to my dear brother, Olurok. Please help me clap for him. He said, Mama, what happened? I say, I'm in water now. What are we going to do? He said, don't worry, relax. Tonight, if people don't enjoy the music, return all their money to them and that they don't come to party. So tonight, please appraise Olurok tonight. I am sorry on behalf of the association. Man proposes, God disposes. What about if this man has come and it happens like this, someone on a visitor visa? What could that mean to us? So God knows. It will be beauties for Arches tonight. And that is that. So please don't be disappointed. We didn't just leave the vacuum. And as you know, Baba Ojo, when I told him, Yewande Aturamu, you know what, Madam, I am your husband's classmate in university, and you will enjoy me tonight. Please help me clap for him. Thank you. Okay, that's that. So you are going to enjoy tonight, regardless of you don't see the main musician. I want to recognize some people tonight. When this happened, as you know, YFC is now part of North America, Omoegbe Yoruba. And when I told them about this, of course, we have an affiliate of RS of Omoegbe Yoruba in Canada. We have a platform, and they all said they will come. And tonight, we have the Are Omoegbe Yoruba for the whole night, North America, Dr. Ayodeji Famuyide. He didn't just come alone, he came with other 4, so there are 5. I was just texting him, maybe they said that, they are not used to this place and probably they missed their way, but they said they'll be here in 2 minutes, so I'm not sure if they are here yet. And I go to British Columbia. These people, this delegate, they sent 7 delegates from British Columbia. And Agbaki, Josiah, if you are here, the delegates from British Columbia, if you are here, please stand up for recognition. I know I've seen Agbaki Thank you, sirs. Thank you, ma. They came in number. Agbaki Dr. Josiah Akisomi, Iyaafin Mrs. Fumi Agberotimi, Mrs. Fumilola Iyola, Dr. Julius Kehinde Oni and spouse, Mr. Amos Bodunde Adeniran, and Mr. Louis Oladun Toye. These people, they didn't just come. They give us gifts. They send us money to support this event. Can you please help me clap for them? Also, the delegates from Manitoba, these people, they drove 11 hours yesterday to celebrate with us. Mrs. Bumi Ogundipe, and they came too. Can you please stand up for recognition? Thank you. Thank you. All the way from Manitoba. And of course, we have our dad in the house, Are from Edmonton, Mr. Thomas Bankole. Please, sir. Good to see you, sir. Thank you for coming. We appreciate you, sir. And of course, there are some other important dignitaries that I would like to recognize. I want to recognize the Sala. These people has been the brain behind our Yoruba language school. They've done a lot. They support us in many ways. They give us drums. They give us books. Recently, they gave us 4 laptops to support the Yoruba language school. And of course, they give us money from time to time. To that, I would like to recognize Michael Gritton and Michael Ambroy. Please help me thank them. You are welcome. And also, I would like to recognize, I know our premier and dignitaries, they are on their way because it's a long list. I would like to recognize the NDP. These people heard about Yoruba events, and they said they are going to be part of us. And they came in group. I would like to recognize MLA Lizette Tehoda, Calgary Clem, MLA Port Ellington, MLA Pamit Singh, and MLA Gorina Bra. These people didn't just come alone. They came with a scroll to celebrate with Yoruba Foundation of Calgary. Can I please call on MLA Lizette Tehoda to present the scroll to us, if she's here? Is she here? Okay. You can come over, please. Thank you for coming. We appreciate you. Yeah.
Recognizing your 20th anniversary.
Àwọn tó ń ṣẹgbẹ́ wọn báṣubàṣu o. Dr. Yewande, President, YFC.
We just wanted to say thank you so much. Congratulations for
Ọ̀rọ̀ màrè ará àdúgbò. Wọ́n tún bá.
As you know, we are an association. We are non-governmental bodies. We are not political parties. We are just here celebrating and relaxing, and they want to be part of us. And they gave us gifts, and they gave us this scroll. So, having said all that, tonight is going to be great. We're going to dance. We are going to eat. Amala spot there. So, don't worry. This year, because last year the Amala spot on the spot was not enough. So we double it this year. So as much as Amala you can eat tonight, go for it. We have rice, dodo, jollof, and other things. And we have drinks, and enjoy tonight. socialize, mingle, and have a great night. Thank you so much, and happy celebration. Thank you.